Now in this video, I'll give you an in-depth review of the Dyson Lightcycle Task Light, so keep watching. Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here and you're watching Adam Lobo TV. If you guys are new, hello and welcome. Do consider subscribing to my channel as I release videos at least twice a week. This time is 3 times a week. And if you're returning as a subscriber, welcome back my friends. It's always nice to see you here. Now let's first unbox the Dyson Lightcycle Task Light. Now the box comes in a matte white box with the drawn out visuals in front and also the Dyson Lightcycle desk, since this is a desk variant as there is also a floor variant as well. You will then need to open the box from where the handle is to reveal all the parts and accessories inside, such as the Lightcycle 360-degree rotating base, the 3-pin plug which is of course based on where you purchase the light, the power brick adapter, the Lightcycle stand also known as the vertical body, the Lightcycle arm better known as the horizontal light unit, the base lock, and then there's also the operating manual. Now in terms of assembly, it comes with a 3-unit assembly where you can easily assemble by yourself, and honestly this whole process kinda reminded me of how you put Legos together. The good old days. So with the vertical body in the box, insert the base, then fix in and rotate the base lock as well. Next, insert the power brick underneath, where as usual Dyson has included a nice cable management underneath there as well. Now while the base is standing on the surface with the vertical body, push the spring roller on top, then insert the horizontal light unit, where the connecting pin in white down below will snap in place, and that's it. Super simple. So once it is set up, it has a cool mechanical look to it, which in my opinion looks really amazing. Now the light cycle can be adjusted and moved to different heights with ease, and most of the parts of the units are made of metal with a subtle matte finish to it except for the LED head, the weight cap and also the base head. Now on top there is 6 LEDs with a touch control to power the device on. Then looking at the bottom half, you'll find a USB Type-C port that allows you to charge your USB-C devices. Now although that this is just a lamp, Dyson has included a whole bunch of cool features where firstly the Lightcycle Task Light allows you to adjust the color temperatures between 2700 kelvins to 6500 kelvins, which covers all the natural lighting scenarios. Then the brightness of the lamp can go up to a whopping 1000 lux, which in theory makes it bright enough to be used as a night lamp in a huge room. And then on the bottom of the arm of the device, you'll find there is 3 buttons where you can use to resync the light to a new location. Then the auto button will help you to adjust the lighting as per the ambient condition in the room, and also there's a motion sensor where it will turn on once you're near and turns off when you're away about 2 minutes. Now what's even cooler is the fact that this arm is cooled by heat pipe technology that cools the LED light to ensure the quality of the LED lasts up to 60 years, and that my friends is really amazing. Now another cool feature is that the brightness of the light can be adjusted based on your age when you put in your email profile as well. Now do note that this synchronization features will only work once you pair your phone to the lamp via Bluetooth in the Dyson Link App, which is available for Android and iOS devices. Now please also keep in mind that it would be best that you pair the light cycle to a phone or a tablet which has a SIM card to ensure a smoother pairing process, especially when it comes to getting the light in the right location as well. Now while in the app, hit the top left of the app and then add machine. Now once you've seen the light cycle lamp over there, follow the quick instructions accordingly and you're done. You'll then be prompted to select the location on where will the light cycle be within your place, select the date of purchase for warranty information, enter your city or town location. After that is entered, you'll get a reading of the amount of daylight and what time is sunrise and sunset within your chosen location. Then at the home screen of the app, you can turn the light on and off manually. Then you can change the color temperature and brightness up to 1000 lux. Then there's different modes for you guys to choose from, like synchronize, study, and relax, where each mode is based on the recommended color temperature and the amount of brightness as well, which was really nice. Then going back to the home screen of the app, hitting the wheel icon on the top right gives you the option to go to the lights configuration and to adjust further settings over there. Alright guys, in conclusion, the Dyson Lightcycle Task Light has to be my current favorite light for 2019, and it is a highly recommended light, especially if you guys are looking to wake up energized with the current lighting temperature as a bedside lamp. And of course, this would be beneficial if you guys want a perfect reading light, and the auto time zone sync could also keep track of your lighting conditions outside if you absolutely have no light, as it is engineered to support your body clock. And if you guys are interested to get yourself one, I will leave links at the description below. Now don't forget to use my promo code AdamLobo15 to enjoy a 15% discount on checkout if you guys are planning to buy yourself one online. Now if you guys are interested to get a hands-on experience of the Dyson Lightcycle, I will leave all the information on the outlets available here in Kuala Lumpur and other places down below. But there is good news for my friends over in Johor, as there's a brand new outlet at Mid Valley South Quay where you can check out the whole range of Dyson products and even some customized Dyson items over there, as it is currently the largest Dyson outlet here in Malaysia. Now aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.